We want to create a name which expresses the feeling of that design. Here it comes, the Ix-Onic.
Everyone in the team with their own knowledge and skills, they bring the little bit of a vision.
When I draw the first line, in my mind I know already what I'm going to sketch.
In Hyundai, it's very important to have some kind of spirit in the design, which gives moments of beauty to the customer.
Got very sleek lines, very sharp, very sporty, and the surface between the lines are very soft.
The urban nomad concept means that the car is for all occasions. You feel the inside is more feminine, whereas the exterior is maybe more masculine.
I think Ix-Onic is a male car, but it's got some female touch.
It's a very female car, I think.
For younger people, younger generation, active people.
The shape is still kind of bulky, so I think even the men will like it.
Our idea was to go away from a conventional SUV because people have in mind a more personal car.
It's a car for everybody. It's a new expression of SUV, which means the double-set shoulder line, the very muscled athletic body, the very sleek greenhouse area, and that's something that you see only on high-performance sports cars.
Dynamic proportions, so the car is not a static object, it moves. And sculptural is our approach to the surfacing.
Dynamic sculpture means negative, positive surfaces coming together, creating tension in between, which is a unique approach in the category of a compact SUV.
If you look at the rear of the car, we use a very innovative material for the rear window, which allows us to create a much more three-dimensional shape than it would be using conventional glass. Hyundai doesn't have the history of other well-established brands in Europe, and therefore we have the chance to head more to the future. And this gives us the spirit of innovation and all this enthusiasm you feel in the sketches.
You get inspiration everywhere from everything and everything around you.
Shopping, parties.
The interior is inspired by nature, beautiful shapes, beautiful lines.
Pencil, piece of paper, and ideas.
In the future, Hyundai will be more recognized because we give the car a face. All elements are playing around the hexagon. So this hexagonal shape grille will be used in all cars of Hyundai in the future. We want to have a kind of family look.
We achieve a really beautiful color with the ceramic effect, which is going to the icy blue. To say, look, we have something different.
The dialogue between an interior and exterior, that's what I love.
We don't think that the interior should be isolated from the exterior. The X shape of the IP is reflecting the hexagon of the exterior. We have the blue illumination, which works very well with this cream leather ambience.
It's a lot of light because of these light materials. The embossing gives the richness to the interior of the car.
Quality is very important for the interior because it's what you touch and what you feel and what you smell.
When you open the door, you sit in the car and then you get the feeling like you are in your living room.
I think the main thing is that you touch this inviting ambience.
The team is very young, very creative, crazy ideas at the beginning, but with the necessary skills to know how to develop them.
Due to those mood boards we are doing, as a communication, we never lose the aim at the end.
We want to be one of the best, and this car shows what we can do. The car is the extension of the teamwork.
Teamwork is very important. I can identify with the car because it expresses what my vision is for the company. And the great team of designers, they have realized that vision.
Everybody is working with passion and energy to create a better design and even a better car.
I am very proud of my team.
The first sight when I see it, my heart opens for this car.
I love it.
This car is outstanding.
I love it. I love the Ix-Onic.
I love the car. It's fantastic.